I just wanted to give y'all some plans on the YouTube channel and the future plans for the G35 and what we got planned for just me and in general for the not only just YouTube channel and for me and for the G35. I just want to give y'all the full rundown as what happening to the channel since I haven't posted in like 2 years. So first of all, this is my 2006 Infiniti G35. Unfortunately, it is an auto, you know, but I have a lot of plans built for this car. I've already been executing the plans and already been recording videos, so this video is actually late. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around real quick so y'all can see some of the problems with the car and y'all know what to expect for the future of this channel. Quick little walk around. Can y'all hear that exhaust? Oh my goodness, it's so loud. So let's get a quick walk around. So now that y'all know the plans of this car, or what's wrong with this car, the problems, y'all seen the exterior of the car, I'm gonna let y'all know the plans. So this car is probably gonna be a full bolt on, and then I'm gonna throw a surprise at it. But I will let y'all know right now, it is gonna be FBO and tuned. I don't know how much money I really want to put into an automatic. So if I do decide to fully build the car and do the internals of the engine, I probably will manual swap it first. That would probably be the first thing. Or if the manual swap is too expensive and I find a cheaper G35 that's in better condition than this one, because this one has like 160-ish miles on it, I would preferably just get the manual and then not manual swap this car. But I do have a little bit of mods to this car already. As y'all can hear, the exhaust is did on this car, and I have the plenum spacer, and I have something else that I cannot think of right now. So all I really need to complete the FBO is headers, and then if I get tuned, I probably get test pipes, and then if I do test pipes, I'm probably going to resonate everything and probably have like 9 resonators on this thing. It is the exhaust that I currently am running on it is a, let's go to the back of the car and look at it. Let's go to the back of the car. I'm running a dual pipe. I don't know the brand. It came with my other black Infiniti, and as y'all know, that car was FBO'd, so I am just picking parts off of that car, pitting it on this car. I've been tampering and dibbling dabbling into like paint correction and detailing this car, so I actually don't come to this car wash because I don't want to mess up the clear coat no more than what I already did. And I don't know if I should just replace this bumper, because I really want to put a lip on the car, so I don't know if I just replace the bumper. I think y'all boys gonna be like, yeah, replace this. Definitely replacing that bumper. Might as well, because I'm gonna be modding the car, so might as well get some aesthetics out of it. We probably would go to a more car chill, friendly, whatever you want to call it, less strict state in general, just a whole different state. So I was up for some grabs. I want to stay in California, but again, the laws are just a little rough, and the gas does not make being a car enthusiast easy. They do not like us enjoying our hobby, unfortunately. I think they all just put us in like the bad category. Like every car enthusiast is bad at this point. There's no good in the car world, according to the cops. So that brings me to me going into OKC. I'm thinking OKC, it just makes a lot of sense. They're like one of the biggest automotive cities probably ever. Super cheap living. Gas is really affordable. I think they're still at like $3 a gallon. OKC, they like really cool with their car laws. You don't ever have to have a front plate there, which is dope. I'm gonna try to milk out the content in this city for as long as I can. I know y'all here for the car, so let me just show y'all around the car as I talk about this segment. Why not move to a car-friendly city as a car enthusiast? It just makes more sense, right? It won't be long term if I do move. It would probably be like a year, build the channel up, build the car, and then I'll come back for the family once I'm back financially stable. We got really big plans for the G35. I was thinking about doing full paint correction on this thing, but as I did the hood, I paint corrected the hood. Oh my gosh, look at that. Fully polished, fully two-step. I didn't even one-step it, I two-step. But this is gonna be your car too, so if y'all wanna drop some, I wanna give me like pointers or like be like, yo, you should do this mod, or yo, you know, if you do this, I'm all for opinions. I love opinions. I would take their opinions, and I love constantly learning about new things. Even with the car, like of course, as you know, I'm mechanically inclined, so I fix and do everything on the car myself already. But if you see me struggling with something, or I'm like, man, I can't get the fitment right, and you know some nice fitment, let me know in the comments, and I will be like, all right, thank you, bro. Which brings me to the next segment. The interior of the car, nothing really did to it. They got the beige interior, so we do have to take that out. I'm replacing the center console with a carbon fiber center console, but I do have this carbon fiber steering wheel. And then Apple CarPlay and all that good stuff. Hopefully y'all didn't just see my whole entire address. I know this is a lot of younger people dream car, which is crazy to think for me. Like, I'll be like, what the heck? Technically it was my attainable dream car too, because I feel like most car enthusiasts have dream cars based off of price point. So I know a lot of young people are going to watch this video, and it's definitely possible, but y'all can do this. This is the easiest. This is step one. Y'all got this. I believe that you boys can do this. This is accomplishable. I don't feel right trying to be like, oh yeah, this is accomplishable, because I feel like I still have a lot to accomplish. But I know when I was like 16, I was like, the G35 is just such a tangle of cars. So I know a lot of people are probably going to be like that too. Y'all can do this, man. Let me know also what type of build y'all want to see, because I can make the other build back into a stance build, because that's the one. My black car is a stance car, is really low on the floor. I would have never even made it into this parking lot. But this red one, I was thinking about just a clean street car. Keep it simple, keep it catted. Don't have the cops bother me too much. Hopefully they're gonna bother either or. I recommend y'all, if y'all are gonna build one of these cars and you're in California, just know that the cops are gonna be on you, and they're probably just gonna pull you over because you're in a G35. So mine is fully catted. It's just it's a cat back and it's catted. The intake, that's what I want to say. I'm not gonna pop the hood right now, but I'll pop the hood maybe another video. The intake, I also did the intake. That's carb legal. My plenum's carb legal. My exhaust is carb legal. So yeah, we're fully legal. So when I do get pulled over, I kind of just sit there and laugh like, yo, what you pull me over for? They be like, oh yeah, your tint. Or they try to find something nitpicky, and they typically let me go. Tell me what y'all think. I really need a dial in fitment. I think that might be the next mod, either lower springs or coilovers. I still don't know how much I want to put into the car, just because of the automatic. I really do not want an automatic. But if it does get that deep and the videos do well and the car gains traction and actually start paying for itself, I do a really good build on it. And yeah, so stay tuned, boys. Sorry for the yap sesh. I know it's a yap sesh, but I just had to clear some things up.